Before start, I'd like to recap this stock that I featured in my video after this trading day, that is September the 24th. I looked into its fundamentals and also based on the chart pattern, I concluded that this stock stood a better chance to rally a lot in the next while. Let's take a look at what happened after that. Say the next day, then the second day. So it rallied about 60%. Okay, so then after rallying to 60%, it pulled back and formed a higher low pattern. So then the day before yesterday, there was a huge volume. So like 28 million shares changed hand. So it is a new IPO stock. This is buying or selling. Probably it is buying. People are buying. People are jumping in. We have to wait for a while to see. So if it is going up, then this is buying. If it is going down, then this is selling. The pattern of the stock is like this. It is forming a wedge. Okay, I think the price will go this way to break after the wedge. We have to wait and see. And today, let's look at this stock. So I will tell you why it rallied for like more than 500%. Then why it has been coming down. Whether or not now it is a good chance to buy. First, let's look at some basic facts. You see, the company's market cap is fairly large. Now they have about 1,000 employees. That's a fairly big company. Look at the performance. Okay, the numbers, it is very exceptional. And also the news, almost positive news. There is no negative. It is a pharmaceutical company. They have products, and also there are several drug development in their pipeline. So some just got approved by FDA. Let's look at quarter-over-quarter performance income. You see the income very good. Balance sheet strong, very strong, and cash flow. Look, I think now it is profitable. The fundamentals are very good. And next, let's take a look at its institutional ownership. You see, financial institutions and investment banks are buying. So not one, but many. Look, Morgan Stanley increased its holding, and a lot other financial institutions, hedge fund, mutual fund. Look, yes, Metropolitan. So bought quite a lot. Okay, so well, now the institutional ownership is about 38%. That is quite good. This tells us that those financial institutions and investment banks trust this company. They believe that down the road, in a year, in 2 years, in 3 years, 5 years, the company will bring return to their investment. It is a kind of endorsement. Then let's have a look at analyst ratings. So it is a buy rating with fairly high price target. So this is very good. Okay, so the rating from a year ago, buy rating, 3 months ago, buy rating, 1 month ago, and current buy, always buy rating. Then you see the rally is because the business is improving. It is a very strong operation, then why it came down? So of course, simply because it rallied too much, then it needs to take a break. And also the broad market, we know equity market rotates from some sectors, some types of stocks to others. So it has been for quite a while that money is moving out from growth stocks, from small cap stocks, and going to value and blue chip stock. That's why it came down, and like in the consolidation mode. And the recent down, obvious, it is impacted by the broad market index. Okay, then yesterday it came down by 14%. What happened was there are a couple of news released yesterday. It is funny why they released news on the same day. 2 or 3 law firms launched a lawsuit, a class action representing some shareholders, charging the company mispriced their product. Then the company got reimbursed from the federal Medicare program. So this type of lawsuit will take a fairly long time. You cannot tell the company would win or would lose. So it's totally not a big deal. You see, this is intraday hourly chart. So the price came down. Okay. So yesterday, the news. Then you see the volume. Okay, the last hour, the volume. It is huge. Okay, so this tells us that people are buying by the dip. So this is the dip. This is a very good opportunity to buy now. It has been coming down quite a lot. So the way to do it is to buy at a dip, So dip. So now this is new dip. So it came down a lot. Definitely, it is a good opportunity to buy. That's it for the day. Bye until next time.